Alright, so when you glue these down, I've already got my white paper glued onto the background on the left side. Now I'm going to take and I'm going to start to fill in my pieces. I recommend starting with the middle shapes if you have any of those. This piece fits in right here. It's kind of like a puzzle. So what I do is I find where it matches and then I simply just flip it over, find where it goes. It goes right about here. I'm going to put some glue on there and kind of just glue it into space like that. So then I can take the next shape, which is an E, and I just flip it over, and you can find out where it goes just like that. So what you're doing is you're creating a shape and then the mirror image of the shape. So this should just be able to fold like this and be the exact mirror image. So if I moved over here to this big piece, which is the big exciting piece, it goes right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over. You have to flip them, and it makes it backwards from this one. It's backwards here now. What you want to watch when you glue it down is that this gap right here is the same right here in black. That this little gap over here in white is the same over here in black. And you keep assembling it. Well, I'll glue this piece in, but what I actually have is I have a tricky thing. I have a shape inside of a shape. So this piece that went here is going to flip back to here. Again, check your spacing. Is this gap right here the same as right here? Then I have another one inside of here. I made it kind of tricky on myself. And this is going to flip over, making sure you flip all of your pieces to here. And lastly, there was a little piece here, and it's going to flip over to here. Check that everything is nice and neat before you glue them in, and what you're going to end up with is a design you can fold right down the middle that will be a mirror image. It'll close together on itself.